morning. Good morning from Slovenia. My name is Luka Esenko and I'm a landscape and nature photographer. Right now I am at St. Anna Church. This is a small hilltop church not far from Ljubljana, above Ljubljana Marshes. And the reason why I came here is to shoot landscapes with my long telephoto lens. And it's really beautiful morning with lots of mist down in the marshes, and I think it's going to be fabulous sunrise, and really looking forward to this. I'm excited. And this little church is popular among photographers for a reason, and it's mostly the views it offers. The church itself is a nice subject, but from different viewpoints. Not from exactly the spot where the church is located, where I am at right now, but the views, this is all it matters here. And I'm really super excited how amazing it looks right now. It's just the right amount of fog in the valley, in the marshes. It just covers the landscape. The trees are sticking out. It's just this surreal atmosphere. It's amazing. Yeah, right now I'm shooting with my 100 to 400 lens, just picking up these little scenes, little compositions in the landscape with these fog-covered marshes. It is a very minimalistic photography. And it's funny because, let me show you a preview. I'm focusing on this little antenna here because it's the most contrasty part of the picture. Such a beautiful morning today. This fog made it so good for photography. It's made it so beautiful to just stand there and watch how it's rolling between the trees in the landscape. Wow, really amazing morning. I actually got some incredible shots. Probably was one of the best mornings up here ever. And yeah, I was shooting with my telephoto lens mostly, 100 to 400 millimeters, various focal lengths, just picking up nice scenery in the landscape with the river, with the trees, with these hilltop churches around me. There are, by the way, several hilltop churches, I think at least 5 or 6 that you can photograph from here, from St. Anna Hill. it's not just like this landscape, it's also the little churches. One can even see Mount Triglav, the highest peak of Slovenia, on a clear day. It was barely visible today, but not visible enough to get a decent photo, but still nice to see it and to appreciate the view. And I even flew my drone, got some nice footage, some photos with the drone of different churches here around. It was very, I will not say productive, it's such a bad word. It was just a beautiful experience in photography and just being up here. So I hope you enjoy the photos, I hope you enjoy this vlog, and see you next time. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from Slovenia.